Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up voicemail on an AT&T cordless phone. To start, pick up your AT&T home phone or digital phone handset and press star followed by 98. This will connect you to the voicemail setup system. Follow the voice instructions carefully to complete the setup. The system will first ask you to create a voicemail PIN. Enter a 6 to 10-digit PIN, then press the pound key. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After creating your PIN, you will need to set an 8-digit authentication code. Enter the code as instructed by the voice prompts. The system will then guide you through recording your name and personal greeting. When recording your greeting, speak clearly and make sure your message sounds the way you want callers to hear it. After recording, follow the prompts to save your greeting. If your AT&T cordless phone has a built-in digital answering machine, you can set it up from the phone base. Press Menu, go to Settings, and select Answering System. Turn the answering system on and choose the number of rings before the phone answers. You can usually select between 2 and 6 rings. To record a new outgoing message, go to Menu, select Record Announcement, and follow the instructions. Once setup is complete, your AT&T cordless phone will be ready to take messages when you cannot answer calls. You can return to the settings anytime to change your greeting, PIN, or answering options. Thanks for watching.